Hi friends, we are going to learn how air compressor works. First of all, we will see all parts. Here it is main container in which we are going to compress the air and which is having capacity of 300 psi. Here are some main parts. This is the motor which will operate the compressor. It is having rate of 2 HP which will work on this pulley, which is V-belt drive like this. Yes. Here are two pistons, 1, 2, which are having holes to suck the air from atmosphere. Here we have provided one cap after removing, which will allow us to fill the oil, and on the bottom side there is 1 volt which will help us to remove used oil. Then on this side here we have provided the pressure gauge which will help us to measure the pressure inside the compressor. Then this is outlet valve which will help us to get outlet of compressed air for using some applications like this. Here we are having blower which will help us to clean some dust particles. Here we have another application. This will help us to fill tubes like this. So now we will see how it is working actually. So we need a power supply like this. We are having these wires like this. We have to supply V-belt drive which is working like this. Here it is, of course. This is the outlet. Now we can see the increased pressure. The atmospheric air is compressed in this. Now we will see some practical applications where we gonna use this compressed air like this. This is outlet. Like this. Here we can see the pressure is 0. Now we have to use this application to increase this, fill this air. Here we can see the air is filling in tube. Now we can see that compressed air is filled in this tube up to desired level. Now we will see another application. This is blower to clean applicated parts dust. We use this like this. Thank you.